मेरा सजना मिले आ सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया
ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई।
बाजीगर मैं बाजीगर, दिल वालों का मैं दिलबर। बाजीगर मैं बाजीगर, दिल वालों का मैं दिलबर। ओ दिल लेके दिल दिया है, सौदा प्यार का किया है, दिल की बाजी जीता दिल हार कर।
ले जाएंगे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे। ले जाएंगे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे।
ले जाएंगे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे।
अरे रह जाएंगे पैसे वाले देखते रह जाएंगे।
अजी रह जाएंगे पैसे वाले देखते रह जाएंगे। ले जाएंगे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे।
सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। चरणों में जो ना जगा पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो ना जगा पाऊं जी मैं, तो मेरा जीना ही बेकार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है।
परियों के जैसी प्यारी इस घर में एक परी है, परियों के जैसी प्यारी इस घर में एक परी है। जन्नत उसी से दुनिया, हाय जन्नत उसी से दुनिया, घर और ये ज़मीं है। परियों के जैसी प्यारी इस घर में एक परी है, परियों के जैसी प्यारी इस घर में एक परी है। जिसके आने से खुशियाँ बरसने लगी, बोल बिन सारी बात।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने है मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं
तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रहना सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं।
केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, मैंने सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। खिड़की पे आजा गोरी सोना सिंगार करके, होठों पे झूठा गुस्सा आंखों में प्यार करके, सस्ते में छोड़ूंगा ना पकड़ा जो हाथ तेरा, पंगा लिया है तूने लोफर से प्यार करके। तू ही मेरी सोनी है, तू ही था मेरी जनवर की जिंद मोड़ी है।
केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र।
To the most incredible grandparents one could ever ask for, congratulations on your 50th anniversary. It is not just an anniversary to celebrate, it's a milestone. And the years of happiness you have celebrated, not only with you two, but with us also. A toast for the most best anniversary and best grandparents ever.
Happy 50th anniversary, Nana Nani. Congratulations on reaching this amazing milestone of 50 years together. It's so inspiring to see how you've both built such a beautiful life filled with love and laughter. Watching you share your lives with kindness and joy has been a true blessing, and it's something that fills all of us with warmth and admiration. आप लोग की जोड़ी is the perfect example of what true partnership looks like, and I hope it continues to grow even stronger. जब भी हम इंगनघाट आते हैं, you guys always make sure that we make most of our time there by going swimming with us, playing tennis, making पानी पूरी, स्वीट वाले मोमोज, जाड़ी रोटी, चकली और बहुत कुछ. By default, जब भी हम वहाँ रहते हैं, एक ना एक बार तो चारशाला की ट्रिप होती ही है. Nani playing housey with us, Nana ordering ice cream from Govinda for all of us. Both of them taking us shopping and on trips are all very fond memories of mine, and I'm grateful for them, as well as for both of you. May the next 50 years be filled with even more love, laughter and unforgettable moments as you both continue to create precious memories together.
Happy 50th anniversary, Nana and Nani. Even though I have been a witness to only 19 years of your journey, I can say without a doubt that it's been one filled with joy, respect and a whole lot of love. I've spent nearly all of my childhood with you guys, and I have so many cherished memories. Be it spending the quintessential summers with both of you and all of us kids enjoying thandai, mangoes, swimming and loads of fun, or spending exam seasons with both of you in Hingangat, and you guys making sure that I have absolutely no distractions and being my support system and champions throughout that stressful period, or any given time in general. Nana, learning driving with you has become one of my core memories, and Nani Gappe with you is a perfect stress buster. Like I said, I can go on and on about how many memories I have, but I would just like to say that both of you complement each other beautifully, and if Nana has taught me to be passionate and selfless, Nani has taught me to be hardworking and kind. I'm still working on imbibing all of this, but anyway, here's to both of you for achieving such a big milestone, and I hope that I'll be celebrating many more with you to come in the future years to come. Bye.
Respected Papa and Mummy, 50 years of togetherness is not a small achievement. It's a milestone. A lot of couples reach here, but it's the journey that is important. On the way, what you rear, nurture in the form of your family and contribution to society is what matters. You inspire me in so many ways. The discipline that you have followed, the values that you have taught is so visible to me since last 25 years in form of Neelam. To follow your passion with dedication, your skills to manage time and family are incredible. You are both inspiring in so many ways that even if we imbibe few bits of it, it will bring happiness too.
Dear Dadisa and Dadasa, happy anniversary to the both of you. Today, as you celebrate your wonderful journey together, I can't help but think about those special evenings when all of us cousins would sit together, play housey and other games. Dadisa, you were always the one that would bring us together, make sure everybody joined in, no matter what. Your enthusiasm and laughter made everything feel so magical. And Dadasa, you always joined us and surprised us by winning mysteriously sometimes.
Anniversary Dadasa and Dadisa. Your journey over these 5 decades is a beautiful testament to love, patience, and unwavering commitment. Your bond is an inspiration to us all, and we are so blessed to have you as our guiding lights. You've built a beautiful family and filled our lives with so much warmth and wisdom. From the smallest moments to the grandest milestones, your love was a constant source of inspiration for us. Over the past 17 years, I've always cherished this one vivid memory with the two of you. Our daily routine of waking up early in the morning to begin the day with swimming and a brisk walk. Warming up by running 5 laps around the pool before diving in and completing a total of 20 exhausting laps. Afterwards, we dry off and simply relish the moment of sharing mangoes together, savoring them whole without peeling the skin. Anyways, thank you Dadasa and Dadisa for being the heart of this family and for showing us the beauty of life built on love and respect. Here's to celebrating your golden milestone and wishing you many more happiness and love. Thank you.